Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear and moving fast. You need a golden apple and a splash potion of weakness, plus blocks to trap the zombie villager. Once you find the target, isolate it in a 3x3 safe cell and cover it so sunlight can't burn it. Make sure other mobs can't reach the cage. Then throw the splash potion at the zombie, immediately use the golden apple on it, and step back to wait. Curing begins and discounts will follow. Once the villager is cured, move it to a safe trading spot next to a bed and a desired workstation so it gets a profession. You do this because jobs determine available trades. If you want specific items, place the matching workstation. Make sure the workstation is accessible before the villager refreshes trades so the profession sticks. Then do small trades to start leveling the villager. Higher levels unlock better offers. If a trade is bad, you can break the workstation and replace it to reset the job. Finish by using the new trades repeatedly to cement discounts. Villagers remember and offer better prices as you level them. You should also name the villager with a name tag to avoid accidental despawn and build simple walls to keep it safe from raids and zombies. If the cured villager refuses a profession, make sure no other workstations are in range. Then place only the intended workstation and wait a refresh cycle. Troubleshooting. If curing fails, check for nearby open flames, apply weakness again, then retry the golden apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.